Okay, so now I'm gonna strip the 6R80 gearbox. We just drained the oil. I'm gonna take the oil pump out, so I can see that seals where the torque converter run. If it's still fine, and check the spline here. Strip that out. The magnet doesn't have too much filing on there. So yeah. Take the valve body off, the electroplate, and then see what is cooking. Pull that out so I can pull out this here. Sometimes this sits. Okay, let's take a pliers. Have to take that out and you have to take the valve body off before you can take the oil pump out. I'll strip a couple of these boxes so I know. Six R. Now let's sort it out. Automate sort. Brand new second hand map. Okay, so to take off the valve body is very easy. You see the big heads. That one is T30. I just shoot it loose with a gun. That's T30. This is T27. So you want 50. It's gonna go in difficult. And you'll see this why head is small. This one is bigger. And this one is a different shape also, if you look there. So you only lose this one. That one. That one. There. There. These two more here, there, and then there's 1, 2, 3 at the back. Keeps your electroplate there, and then it's loose, and you can lift it up. There it is. So, then you go there. Take that out. That one is for your filter that still sits there. That one I'll take out now for your filter. Okay, and then I'm going to strip it now. And that's it. You also have to clean it up before you take out the valve. So I'm going to take the oil pump out. Okay, so yeah, here's the Teflon rings. Like I thought, they are finished. You can see here. If you feel it like that, they don't stick out, you see. You can feel the metal. They don't stick out. Even this ones, yeah, they're not so good anymore. And the pump still looks fine. But we're gonna sort it out. We'll make it brand new second hand. Gonna check all the clutches and everything, make sure everything is perfect before we put it back together. Like from nut knit that you can just pull out because it's different lengths. See, short one, and long one. So short, long, a little bit longer, short. So it goes like that. That's not the problem. Sort that out. Just gonna strip it through and see what is cooking here. Have to shoot that flange off the back. Sort it out.